Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So here we are going to check out some hair transformations. First up we have someone adding in some curtain bangs to their ginger colored hair. So she is also rocking the layered haircut trend with this particular look. Very pretty, the curtain bangs came out so chic and stylish. And then for our next hairstyle, this one features two trends in one. So she's going to be dyeing her hair this beautiful reddish brown shade, complete with gorgeous layers. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Beautiful pixie haircut for this next hairstyle. She is also wearing the reddish brown hair color trend. And then we see someone else with ginger colored hair, and she is also adding in bangs. And then we see someone with beautiful red hair with the retro waved trend. Followed by this blunt bob hair transformation. And then next up, we see someone getting hair color. So she's going to be getting beautiful money piece highlights in the front. Followed by another copper colored layered hairstyle. And then we see another gorgeous lob haircut transformation. And then we have someone else who has decided to dye their hair the reddish brown hair color trend. This is also a nice mix of dark copper colors. And then we have this beautiful pixie haircut. So if you want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.